Well, figuring out what you're eating for the week at home, it can be a real mental load, right? So I want you to stop thinking for a second because we've got Chef Noel Cunningham in the kitchen today with some easy breakfast recipes that you can make ahead and eat for the rest of the week. Chef, great to have you.
Thanks for having me.
Oh my gosh, we love having you.
I love when you say that Chef Noel Cunningham is here.
Oh yes, me too.
CTV kitchen.
It's so good. So listen, we are going to put up the QR code on the screen. You're going to scan it. You're going to follow along with these recipes. Maybe even make one of them this morning. We're going to start with these hand pies.
Yes.
So how do we make these?
So these are some puff pastries, and what we're going to do is do some scrambled egg, which you can go ahead.
I can add?
Yes,
okay, right on in here. You trust me to do the cooking?
Oh, yes.
Oh, this is a good bowl. It's got some good weight to it.
So that's 4 eggs.
Okay.
And they want to lightly scramble this.
Okay, I'm going to put this over here.
Yes, a touch of salt.
Amazing.
So this one is a very easy make-ahead that you can always do and freeze.
Okay.
Of course, and then you can pop these in the toaster oven or in the oven while you're getting ready for work, and the kids can have some. And guess what? They're unelded, so it's
easy.
Yeah, easy to.
It's so easy.
Yeah,
if you're
like
if you're eating breakfast on the go,
they're tasty.
I'm going to pop up our heat just a little bit for us. What I love too about this, Chef, is this is so easy to customize. So if you have a kid, like I've got one kid at home who's anti-cheese, so he can have the one without cheese if he wanted to make it with me, right?
And definitely you can also do some spinach, some mushroom, whatever you like, right?
I love that. What are breakfasts and mornings like in your home? Or is it like busy?
Usually I wake up very late.
Do you really?
Yeah. So for me, I'm more of a brunch. I would say brunch. But usually it's something quick and easy.
No,
so doing stuff like these, I can easily pop in the oven while I'm doing other stuff around the house, right?
Yeah.
And like in the morning, like you don't want to be like pots and pans to be your problem.
You know what? Do we want to let this cook for a little bit and maybe talk about the pancakes?
So these pancakes, these are like my favorite, right?
Okay, we're going to jump over here, controller.
So these are my favorite. So what I do usually, so you make your pancake mix, same thing. You spray a pan and you bake these. So you can actually slice these and freeze these.
You guys, this is revolutionary. We're not making pancakes in a pan.
So instead of slaving over the stove all morning, trying to flip pancakes and trying to be a mess, you can simple...
In the oven.
Yeah, in the oven. Or you can mix your dried ingredients.
Yeah.
And combine your wet, and then you can mix in the morning.
Get in there with the maple syrup.
Yeah,
don't be shy.
Yeah.
I love this.
There we go.
Oh my gosh. And then throwing in the blueberries.
Some blueberries on it as well, yeah.
Okay, Chef, what is your trick to not make the entire pancake turn blue? Because I tell you, when I make blueberry pancakes, we are eating like bright purple pancakes.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, every time.
Are you using fresh ones?
Sometimes they're frozen.
Really?
I'm using the frozen ones, so they're bleeding everywhere.
Yeah, so those are going to bleed. Yeah, definitely. Those are going to bleed, definitely. So these are the fresh ones.
Fresh ones. Okay,
yes, and this is our scrambled egg and cheese while you take a bite down there.
Look at us multitasking in the kitchen. I love it.
And this is what you want to avoid in the morning, the pots and pan problems. So you make a head, and you can also do some casserole as well. Yeah. Those are great ideas for make a head breakfast.
This pancake is so fluffy. It is so light. I'm going to save this recipe. This is really good.
You know, breakfast is the best meal to have in the day, right? Kickstart your day, your energy, all those stuff. We need all those nutrients,
Brunch in your circumstance.
Brunch, yeah, brunch.
I'm going to sleep in it.
I love breakfast or dinner.
Oh, I love brunch. I just did that this week. I did bacon and pancakes.
And let's know in wintertime, these are very comfy. So let's fill so we can fill.
Okay. You got this. Do you want me to keep this on or do you want me to turn it off?
Yeah, we can turn it off.
Okay, I'm going to.
Yeah, so we can fill.
Okay, let's fill.
Yeah.
Take this. I love this. So you put a little sausage in here. You've got cheese in here.
Cheese, yes.
Okay, we're gonna pop this into our puff pastry.
And as I said earlier, that you can always make these.
How full? Oh, am I going way too full?
Well, you do your own thing.
Debate. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it because we're folding in half.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now you're gonna run into a problem where it's all squishing out, right?
Oh yeah, totally.
Yeah, and these are puff pastry that you can just get in a store.
And then do I just crimp my edges? Oh my gosh, look at me. It's exploding up the side.
And then we do a little egg wash.
Okay.
A little milk and some whisk egg over here.
Look how cute these are.
We brush.
You made that look really easy. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a brush. Okay, so egg wash. We would brush it. We're gonna do a little swap into the oven. Little magic of TV. Oh my gosh. It smells really good in here, you guys. Oh, those are so cute.
And these are ready.
Oh my gosh. This is amazing, Chef.
And then you just put one right there, and we're serving this with a salad, and that's a perfect way you can have a brunch on the weekend or a good breakfast.
Oh, you know what? It's a hand pie. I'm gonna, I'm gonna take a bite as we go to break. Remember, the recipes are on the QR code on your screen right now. Chef Noel, great to have you back.
Thank you so much for having me, always.
Cheers. We'll be right back.
I wolfed that down. That was so good.
It is so good. So, Chef, all of this, you could make, like, say, on a Sunday.
Yes.
If you're really prepped. and you're ready to go. You can make it on Sunday, and then you can freeze it.
And then you just
idea.
bake or air fry.
That's what I was asking you.
Yeah.
So if we froze them, we could just throw them in the air fryer in the morning.
Definitely. And as I said, you can do any filling at all that you like.
Which is great, because then, as you said, like the kids can get involved, whatever they want.
Yes.
Totally.
And then they can't complain about it.
You know what? We spend so much time commuting. I just love the fact that we can eat these like handheld. Just be aware.
Yes, but
I had it all. I had all the puff pastry all over the front of my sweater. So
that's how you know it's good.
so good.